Hey everyone, today we have got something sleek and stylish to talk about. The Ankbit E600 Pro Active Noise Cancellation Headphones. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Ankbit E600 Pro is a fashion statement. With its minimalistic design, it's not just about great sound, it's about looking good while doing it. The Ankbit E600 Pro features ultra soft protein leather ear cups with memory foam padding. They fit snugly over my ears, and the lightweight build ensures comfort during those long listening sessions. Throughout its use, it maintains a steady Bluetooth connection and never slips from my ears while running, walking, or doing anything. This affordable Ankbit E600 Pro headset is priced at $89, and it comes in 4 colors: black, dark blue, pink, silver, platinum, and golden with black. And you can get them at the website for the manufacturer as well as Amazon. I will drop both links below. Now when it comes to sound, these headphones deliver a powerful audio experience with a 40mm driver and support for aptX, ACC, and SBC codes. You get deep, low bass, crystal clear mids, and highs that will make your music come alive. Battery life is crucial, and the Ankbit E600 Pro doesn't disappoint. Because it comes with a 950 mAh battery, you get up to 45 hours of listening in ANC mode. That's a whole day of musical bliss. And if you are running low, quick charging has got you covered. And enjoy 80 hours of playtime in standard mode in full charge. Let's listen the audio quality with high volume. Multitasking made easy. These headphones allow you to connect to two devices simultaneously. So whether you are enjoying music, watching a movie, or talking calls, you can seamlessly switch between devices hassle-free. The Ankbit E600 Pro adopts Bluetooth 5.0, known for its stable wireless connection. It ensures seamless sound, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes without any interruptions. It's also equipped with Qualcomm CVC 8.0 technology. Thanks to dual microphones, that's 4 in total. This tech enhances voice clarity during phone calls. So no more "you can hear me now" that kind of moments. While these headphones use a composite metal film and a 40mm large moving coil composite diaphragm driver with QCC 3034 chip support. And there you have it, the Ankbit E600 Pro Active Noise Cancellation Headphones. Stylish, powerful, and comfortable, and in good price, I guess. The perfect combination for any audio enthusiast. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy listening.